In this tutorial, I'll show you how to recover text and image content from an old website using the WayBack Machine. So all you need to do is pull up the website, the WayBack Machine. The URL is archive.org. It essentially takes a snapshot of all the websites that are online, and it's been doing this for the past 5, 10, 15 years. I'm not exactly sure how long. We're just gonna do a quick search. I'm actually gonna use my own personal website and just see what comes up. So I'm gonna type in CryeStudio.com into the search bar. It pulls up this timeline up here. It shows you all the times that this website has been archived or saved. So you can click on any of these time periods, for instance, 2015, and you can see this calendar below, and it's showing you all the times that this website has been saved, essentially. So we can just click on one of these and see what happens. Wow, so this is 2015. This is almost 10 years ago. So now that I have this website up, I can copy text content and download the old images. And I'll click into a blog post and just see what comes up. Wow, so it's saved all my images from this period of time too. You can save these photographs again. So I'm just gonna right click on this image right here and say open image in new tab. And here is that image, and it's pretty high res actually. I can save this image to my computer. And a quick disclaimer, this tool works sometimes. There are some time periods that it may not have an archive, or the archive may not load, your images may not be there. This tool is great when it works. So that's how you recover content from an old website using the WayBack Machine. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and comment on the video below, and subscribe to CryeStudio for more design tutorials. Thanks so much.